Hey guys, welcome to Science World. This is the unboxing video of Amazon Echo Dot. Here you can see the Alexa, and here you can find the connectivities like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and here you can see the price tag of 4499 rupees. And here you can find some basic functions like voice control, hands-free mode, etc. And here you can find some application is compatible with Alexa. And now let's check it out from inside. Open it. Here's the main thing, the Alexa Amazon Echo Dot. The finishing is nice. Here you can see 4 mics present on each direction, and here the adapter slot for power supply. And inside it you can find the manual book for Amazon Echo Dot. You can see here, you can see how to start it. Now put it aside, and you can see the second book. Here some instructions are given and some caution, and here you can also get the reference book for command like calling, messaging and other things. And here you can find the things to try, like how to talk with Alexa with commands. Let's put it inside and check it out from inside. Here you can find an adapter for Alexa. You can see it is long wire. This is for only power supply for Alexa. You can see the logo of Amazon. Now you can see here it gives 15-watt power supply to the Alexa. And now you have to follow these steps.
What is the time?
The time is 10:55 a.m.
Good. Alexa, what is the day?
It's Friday, January 10th.